So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign, we go about looking at the steps that you would be needing to do in case you want to install all your new applications onto your SD card directly. Now why is this important? Many of the new devices come with smaller storage space, and if your device has say 32 or 64 gigabytes of space only, the Android OS may itself consume 18 to 20 gigabytes, and therefore like you may fall short of space, and therefore many people would want to move apps either to the SD card or ensure that all the new apps that are installed are on the SD card itself. So today let's look at the steps that you would be required to do in case you have an Android 10 device and in case you want to do all of this. So let's begin. So this device is running Android 10. This is Samsung M51. I need to click on settings. Inside settings, I need to scroll down until I see device care. Inside device care, I need to click on storage. Inside storage, you can see the SD card also reflects here, and I want to free up storage by moving apps onto the SD card and also ensuring that the new apps get installed onto the SD card directly. I need to click on storage booster. Here if you see there's an option right at the bottom, move apps to SD card. So click on that, and then like you have this option, you will see all the apps are listed here neatly. You can decide to move any of them onto the SD card, but importantly for us, this tutorial, ensure that this option install new apps on the SD card is selected, or rather turned to on. This option would be turned to off, and once you turn it to on, what happens now is any new app that you download from the Play Store or you install on this device will get installed on the SD card directly. As far as moving apps onto the SD card is concerned, well, it's pretty simple. You simply need to turn this on and you can see that the app will get moved onto the SD card. Well, if you are having an Android 10 device and if you are not knowing how to install new apps on the SD card or to move apps to SD card, well, this is how you would be installing new apps on the SD card. Hopefully this tutorial helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications. I will catch you in the next one.